I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the exact government publication you need and why it matters. Accuracy saves time and money. Once you have the title, edition, and any publication or catalog number, make sure your billing information and ID are ready. Next, open the official agency bookstore or recognized government portal. This reduces risk of counterfeit copies. Doing these steps first lets you search precisely and avoid incorrect editions. So proceed now to locate the listing. Once on the site, search using the title or catalog number and apply filters for edition and format so you don't pick an outdated copy. Make sure you verify publisher info, ISBN, and whether the item is a downloadable PDF or a physical book. This affects delivery and cost. Also review price, shipping, and the return policy so you know your options if the book is wrong. If everything matches your requirements, add it to the cart and prepare to check out. You complete the purchase by entering payment details, billing address, and any government purchase codes exactly as required because small errors delay processing. Before confirming, carefully review the order summary, price, taxes, shipping, and delivery estimate, and then place the order. After purchase, save the receipt and download confirmation immediately and note the tracking number or download link. If the download fails or shipment is delayed, contact support with the order number. That resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.